Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I caved. So, some of you may know, if you listen to my whip and chats, etc., that this Fox Wisdom painting was one that I mentioned I really liked from Diamond Art Club. It was on back order originally, so like a pre-order, and I couldn't quite warrant the price with postage, with the VAT that we get added on, not Diamond Art Clubs at all, but I couldn't quite warrant it myself, it's not their fault, for a painting that was 33 by 46. Like, I've never owned a Diamond Art Club painting this small. I know they're out there, I'm just always drawn to the big ones. So I couldn't quite warrant the price of it. Then somebody mentioned that there was another company that did the same image. You may have seen my unboxing for that, I think last week. But then when they mentioned that this other company did it, they also mentioned me doing them both to see the difference. And of course, that got my cogs turning. So I'm going to do both of them. It's a good job I like the image, because I'm now going to do it twice. This one is smaller than the one I got from another company, but I will do sort of a mini comparison on them both. But that's another video. What I'm doing now is having a look at it, because I get excited. Now, I did order another painting at the same time because, you know, shipping and VAT sort of got to make it worthwhile. Megan picked the other one, but I am going to do that in a future unboxing. Megan likes to buy diamond paintings. Bit like me. Whether she completes them all is a different matter. So we get the square toolkit. I'm actually quite interested because the other Diamond Art Club ones I have in my stash are round, because the first Diamond Art Club I ever did was a square and I fell out with it. I wasn't happy. So I am hoping that this one is a lot better. I have heard things have improved, so I'm hoping it's a lot better. But we do get the square toolkit, which means you get tweezers as well. We've got a sticker for, possibly for my logbook actually. And then let's get in the actual one itself. It's going to be very weird working on a small Diamond Art Club. I'm not used to them having small ones. Oh, okay. You never quite know how the picture's going to chart and move across to being one, but I like it. We do have what looks like 2 ABs. And I always forget. So it's square. Does it actually tell me on the box? I thought it told me on the box. It does say it's got AB. It just doesn't say how many AB. Normally says it on the sticker. No, maybe it's me. I don't know. But there looks to be 2 AB colours. A lot of 5200 in the background, but that's fine. I'm a sucker for that. Canvas, as always, is really nice, and it is poured glue because it is got the clear cover. Symbols all look clear. Oh, we have the little cutout stickers from Diamond Art Club for this one, so that will be nice for kitting up. 33 by 46. Has some step-by-step instructions. Oh, that's a pretty AB. Let me have a look. Let me get in there. Oh. Double wrapped round. A lot of 5200, as you can imagine, and we do have a big bag of 310. But look at some of these colours. Wow, they just pop, don't they? Those oranges. Gorgeous. Look at that blue as well. Oh, and the pinks. Stunning. Oh, so the ABs are a pink and an orange. That'll be quite nice. That'll be really nice. One pink, one orange. And then we do just have some colours that you only get a few of. So they seem to be in the order by weight. So look, 8, 2, 3, not too many at all. Further on you go, the more you get. But where are these ABs? Let's have a look. So we've got some pink ones, a couple scattered around here. And then we've got a few scattered in here, and we've got a few scattered in here. So it seems to be sort of round the furry little bits. And then number 2, we have down here, we have a few down here, and we have some up here at the top as well. So a nice little scattering of ABs. But yeah, I might actually finish this a bit quicker than my Minions due to the size. What do you guys think? I like it. I actually quite am looking forward to doing a smaller Diamond Art Club, so I get the satisfaction that it's finished a little bit quicker. I'm quite looking forward to the blocking. I don't mind the blocking at all. I do like Diamond Art Club for normal, and not even including the ones with the white background, for, you know, the fact that there does tend to be a lot of colours together, sort of the way they do their charting. I do like that. I do like working on a Diamond Art Club, but it'd be very interesting to see what the squares are like compared to my first one, which was a disappointment. 31 colours, which is nice. And I do think you can make out all the details that you need to on the image itself. So it'll be interesting because this one's a lot smaller than my other one. So it'll be interesting to see how they compare. Because of course they'll have been charted different according to each company. So it'd be nice to see how it compares a bigger one to a smaller one. So yes, I caved. And I've now got Fox Wisdom in 2 different sizes. So stay tuned. I will be getting them kitted up soon. I might kit up the other one first because it's the bigger one. If I'm doing comparisons, I tend to like to start with the biggest and get those finished, because then I feel like it's a little bit quicker as we go on. But I'll be excited to do this one too. Yes. Right, I'm going to stop staring at it now, and I'm going to pop all the diamonds away and everything back in its box. But stay tuned, I do have another Diamond Art Club to share with you that Megan chose. I love the image. Megan has a slightly different taste to me in relation to diamond painting, so it's a good way for me to bring different things to you all, both my taste and hers. I still like them. I just tend to go for the ones I love when I buy them. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.